Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You know, I have come to realize that healing is a process. It's not a sprint. It is not one day. Healing involves forgiveness. It also involves looking at things from a positive, giving things a positive outlook. It also involves taking care of yourself. Release the things that burdens you, the things that weigh you down. Give everything over to God. For the world is God and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. And I've come to realize you forgive yourself, you forgive others, and in doing so, you thrive, you flourish. I'm smiling more, I'm laughing more. And it's because I'm in a good place and in a good space. We never lose people. We never lose anything. God creates and He brings everything perfect in His own time. People are in our lives for a season and a reason. Be encouraged.